All right, we are going to make a trade recap. Today is Monday, January 5th. It is currently 10:15 a.m. I didn't take a trade today. There was nothing I enjoyed to see. So this is our 4-hour chart here. I had the low and the high marked out because we're kind of trading inside of this 4-hour imbalance. It could go either way, and eventually we are committing bullish, but I'll show you here kind of what I was looking at coming into the day. So coming into the day, we opened up, here we trade high, we trade low. ES trades above this high. Here we create an SMT here at this 4-hour high. So I was kind of timid to take a long here. So I was open to take shorts to London low, and then if nothing, let price fully commit lower here. But that's not obviously what happened. So we come into the market, I can't speak. We start lower, but then we end up holding this 15-minute gap here. So we held this 15-minute gap 3 times, get displacement out and then on the hourly here, we hold this hourly, we get strong rejection out. The only thing that scared me was the SMT here put in at this 4-hour high. Is it like a 100-point SMT? It's a big SMT. Anyway, so I was waiting basically on clear displacement higher out of this range here we created kind of, and this. So we also had 10 a.m. news. Here we had PMI at 10, which was another thing, kind of waiting around today after PMI, let it decide what we want to do here. But ultimately, we kind of ranged in this gap. We held the gap on the 15-minute. I was more bullish than bearish after this point. Even with this SMT, I was wanting to see it get disrespected with clear volatility and displacement higher, which we obviously did not get today. We got a nice move out of this on this 5-minute chart at 10, but then we kind of chop around. If you look at the 1-minute chart here today, it's just been complete and utter chop fest. So not clear displacement, not clear volatility today, not something I would be willing to, get in on a day like this. I would have liked to have seen price definitely move up and out. Where is the candle here? I'm trying to find. I can't seem to find what I'm looking for here. Maybe it's here. Nope. This one here. All right, so coming into today, we held this 15-minute gap here. I'm looking to, on the 1 minute, I'm looking for this gap to hold. We get this hold here, and I'm looking for price to displace through, hit this, bounce up, clear displace, and either take a trade from here, or we get a retrace leg and take a trade there. But But it didn't happen, unfortunately. But yeah, this is just complete chop, and I don't really enjoy taking trades anyway when we're trading inside of a 4-hour imbalance like this one here. It's just kind of not my cup of tea taking longs out of this 4-hour balance here. But anyway, yeah, that's kind of was the idea behind why no trades were taken today. It's a Monday. We did have PMI at 10, but like I said, there was no clear displacement, clear volatility towards any strong draw today. So it's just kind of a capital preservation day. So yeah, that's kind of the recap for Monday, January 5th. I'll see you guys later.